tunnel.
Are you tired of Carl Wheezer yet? Because he's not leaving. He's gonna keep coming back. Forever and ever. Carl Wheezer. Jimmy's mom. Trey, can you say something funny?
You want me to say
Say
something
Jimmy's
funny?
mom.
Say something funny.
Yeah. Say
You
something
want
funny, Trey.
I'm gonna say Jimmy's mom.
Say something funny, Trey.
Say something really
uh,
funny.
say, say
I
the
got
N-word.
Yeah, Trey, say the N-word. You won't. No balls.
penis.
I'm laughing so hard right now that my voice
I,
cracked
I, I,
twice.
I had
I am
nothing.
crying. Tears are falling down my face.
Tears are falling into the ravine of my hollow soul.
Jimmy's mom.
In my Jimmy's mom. In my misery, please, Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom, the pain is too great. Please end my suffering.
Jimmy's mom.
Daphne, say something to the audience of 12 people.
Not the audience of 12 people.
It's the
Are, are,
audience of
are,
12
are you like
people.
live streaming this?
No. This
Oh,
is
okay. Well,
Demon
where's the
Time.
other 9?
What?
Are the hallucinations watching? What?
Because I'm recording it, you idiot. I'm recording it, that's why.
Oh.
But
Oh.
thank you for asking at least. I'll say something
What
funny
if I
so
don't want to be recorded?
I'll do it anyway and dox you if you try to sue me.
Okay. Did you know that barnacles, are cool?
Kill yourself.